Hey, what's up everybody? I'm just back at the 276 berm. I'm going to take a look at it, and there's a spot right here that I want to make an adjustment to. After some test riding, it seems that you make a turn, you straighten out right here, and then you make another turn. So I think all of this needs to get pushed back. I'm going to go ahead and clean up all these leaves and then start digging. You all right? No. Okay, so weird thing is happening right now. Right up on the top of this ridge here, if you're not familiar with Fair Park, is Interstate 376. It is dead silent right now. It's normally very loud with a ton of traffic. The Squirrel Hill Tunnel must be blocked at the moment. It's nice and quiet. Alright, so just a quick recap. Push this whole section back about a foot, which makes the radius of the turn more consistent. Again, I know it looks really flat. I'm going to stick this down into the berm itself. You can see that it's pretty deep. Yeah, send it. Yeah.